guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is another cocktail video, a holiday cocktail video. And yes, it's not Thursday, it's Friday. TGIF. But I want to give you a few more cocktails for the holidays because they're right around the corner. So why not? Calling this Holiday Peppermint Splash. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Now, for those of you that are new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, let's talk about the ingredients. We have Smirnoff. They came out with a holiday version. It is called Red, White, and Merry. Yay! It's a really good vodka. It's a very light and fruity vodka. Prosecco. I haven't used that in a while, you guys, so we are going to use some Prosecco. The diet cranberry juice. We need some fresh orange. Some peppermint. I like already getting the peppermint that's already been crushed up. It just makes it candy cane. It's candy cane, y'all. Crushed up. We do need to make an orange simple syrup. So monk fruit sugar and then the orange. And you know it's equal parts. I've made this a couple times. Equal parts water and monk fruit sugar. You stir it until it goes from cloudy to clear. You peel the orange, zest of the orange, put it in there and let it sit for a few hours. And then I made some little orange twirls, if you will, and dusted them with a little edible glitter. So that's another, if you want to, you know, go over the top. Darlene does. And then I have special ice. This one is Snowflakes, but what I put in there was rosemary. This is a holiday, right? So we did rosemary, cranberry, and peppermint, crushed up peppermints, and then a little bit of edible glitter because we like that little sparkle. And the last ingredient, white chocolate. So just melt some white chocolate over a double boiler, and then we're gonna go dip this glass, and then we're gonna dip it into the candy cane. So I'm gonna pour some of this into a little dish. I have my girlfriend coming over too, so I'm going to do two of them. Let's go over to the double board. Okay, double boiler, white chocolate, and then right into the candy cane. Oh, it's so pretty. Ta-da! In the freezer it goes. What you've done is we made that simple syrup with the orange, right? Now what we're going to do is actually add peppermint to the orange. I know. The crushed peppermint to the orange. It's gonna kind of look like Pepto-Bismol, no joke. But the peppermint and orange is gonna infuse beautifully. Pop it in the microwave for like 30 seconds and then give it a little stir, okay? All right, you guys, let's get this cocktail started. All right. 1.5 ounces Smirnoff Red, White, and Merry. 1.5 ounces of our infused simple syrup with orange and peppermint. I know. 1 ounce cranberry juice. Let me give a good shake. Yes, we have our beautiful snowflake ice cube in there. And let's pour. And we top with Prosecco. Gorgeous. Then we're going to garnish that beautiful snowflake with a little bit of peppermint and an orange twirl, and because I'm extra, we're gonna add just a touch edible glitter on the top. And gorgeous, let's give her a try. Cheers, let's give it a try. It's yummy. It's super light, super refreshing. I would not go out on the limb and say this is truly a keto, but definitely the only thing, this right here is not going to move unless you have it as a snack. That's literally a garnish. It looks great. The only thing that's really got carbs in here is the peppermint or the candy cane that I added to the simple syrup. But again, it's not a lot. Yes, very good. All right, you guys, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, will you take a moment, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Cheers.